Tommy says, looks like it might rain, and I was just thinking about the same thing before he brought it up, because recording out there, it kind of looked like it was getting dark out. If it's thunder and lightning, then the Y wouldn't let you go in the pool, and you'd have to come straight home. But since it's not thunder and lightning, you should be okay. So, it's like Cherokee Apartments. If it was thunder and lightning, everybody out of the pool. And at Water Country, the same thing. Water Country USA, Busch Gardens. Well, Busch Gardens merged with Water Country or owns Water Country USA or something like that.